Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have another video focusing on the back and the spine. Our theme this month has been back health and spinal health. And a good place to start for this video will be finding that comfortable seat which allows you to lengthen the spine. So finding that natural curve in the spine. This may mean you need some pillows to sit on to elevate the hips. Just find that comfortable position and take a few deep breaths. Notice how your spine feels. Roll the shoulder blades down your back. And then when you're ready, place the hands on top of the shoulders, and we're going to bring the elbows toward each knee. Inhaling to the top, exhaling to bring the elbow toward the knee. Adding a little movement in our thoracic spine here. Keep it going, link your breathing. This is a good way to begin to get used to linking the breath as we begin the yoga practice. Keep twisting. And one more time. Now add a few little shoulder rolls there. Then inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands down to the mat. Inhale again, reach the arms up. Exhale, arms down to the mat. Inhale again, reach up. Exhale, arms down to the mat. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bring the palms to your chest and then open towards the right side. So right hand goes behind you, left out in front. Exhale, bring palms together. Other side, left behind you, right in front. Exhale, middle, open. Exhale to the middle, inhale to open. Keep it going. Again, working through the thoracic spine a little bit here. And bring it back to middle. Find that neutral spine again. See if you already notice a difference in how it feels. And then make your way to tabletop. Inhale in tabletop. And exhale, we're going to peel the hips up and back to down dog. Keep a nice bend in the knees to begin with. Take a breath or two. See how you're feeling today. Check in with your down dog. It's always a nice place to get to know how we feel on a certain day. And then we're going to inhale, walk up between the hands, come into a halfway lift. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, round all the way up to mountain, connect the palms overhead. And exhale, hands to chest. Inhale, reach up, connect the palms. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And we're going to lift that right leg up, step it back, and bring the right knee down to the mat for low lunge. Press the chest forward, and just take a breath here. Inhale, raise right knee off the mat, and step the left foot back to down dog. Take a breath or two. On your next inhale, raise the left leg up. Again, we're going to step the left leg to the front. Lower the right knee down to the mat. So low lunge on the same side. Press the chest forward. Inhale, raise the right knee, step it forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, round all the way up. Connect the palms for mountain. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep the arms up and over, connect the palms. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And we're going to step that left leg back. Bring the left knee down to the mat. And take a low lunge on the other side. Take a breath. This pose is also quite good for lengthening through the spine. And then lift the left knee off the mat, step it back to down dog, and take a breath or two. Inhale, raise the right leg up. Exhale, step it between the hands. Lower the left knee back down to the mat, low lunge on the same side. Lift the left knee off the mat, step it forward with an inhale, come to halfway lift, and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise all the way up, connect the palms. Exhale, bring the hands down to the middle, and forward fold again. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step both feet back. Lower on down through chaturanga, or bring the knees to the mat. And then inhale, lift up for cobra or upward facing dog. On your exhale, take your time and meet me in down dog. We're going to take a wider stance in our down dog now, so walk the feet out towards the side of the mat, and then reach that left arm for the right foot. If it doesn't make it there, that's completely okay. Bring it back to the middle, reach the opposite arm for the other foot or ankle. Come back to the middle and swap again. Again, if your hands aren't reaching the ankles, that's completely okay. Just add a little bit of a twist to that spine by trying to reach for the ankle. And bring it back to the middle after this last twist. Walk the feet back in. Take a breath. And on your next inhale, raise the right leg up, step it between the hands. Gonna keep the left knee lifted this time and rise on up to our high lunge. Feet hip width distance apart. Engage the thighs and interlace the fingers with a finger gun over your head. Hold and keep breathing here. Add that back bend, and for added challenge, lift the right heel off the mat. Exhale, we're going to step it forward, open the arms to a cactus formation, and then lean backwards with an inhale, and on the exhale, fold all the way forwards. Inhale, rise all the way up to mountain pose, connect the palms. Exhale, we're going to step the left leg back, and on the inhale, grab onto the left wrist with the right hand and twist backwards and away from the left foot. Getting a deep left side stretch. Then tuck that knee in, raise it up, and step it down. With an exhale, fold forward. On your next inhale, step back to plank. Lower down to your stomach or chaturanga. Lift up to cobra or down or upward facing dog, and then exhale to down dog. Take a breath. Inhale, raise the left leg up, taking it to the other side now. Step it between the hands. Rise on up, high lunge, interlace the fingers. Raise them above your head. Add that little bit of a back bend, engage the thighs, and lift that front left heel for an added challenge if it suits you. Keep breathing. Nice. On the exhale, step up. Inhale, open the arms to cactus, and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up to mountain. the hands up overhead. And we're gonna step the right leg back, grab onto the right wrist with the left hand, and twist away from that right leg. Step it back up to the top, keep that knee raised for a moment, and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step it back to plank. Lower on down. Inhale to cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale to down dog. Take another breath or two. And then we're going to inhale to plank. Go down through chaturanga onto the stomach. Come up onto the fingertips. And with the inhale, extend the left arm more than the right, twist to the left. Exhale, back to the middle. Inhale, extend the right arm more than the left, twist to the right. Exhale, back to the middle. Other side again with an inhale. Exhale to the middle. Other side again. And keep this going, inhaling as you lift, exhaling as you come to the middle. One more, and bring your head down to the mat. You're going to lift the feet, interlace the hands behind your back, finger gun. Inhale, raise the chest forward. Engage your back muscles, engage your glutes, engage your thighs. Keep a lift here in locust pose. Exhale, lower back down, hands next to the chest, rest the forehead on the mat. Inhale, bend the knees, reach back with the hands for the ankles. And only do this pose if it feels comfortable for you. If not, you can enter the locust pose like we did before. And just lift the chest, engage the glutes, engage the thighs. Hold bow pose. Exhale, bring it back down, curl the toes under, and peel the hips up and back to down dog. Take a breath or two. Inhale, raise the right leg. We're going to bring the right knee between the hands and the right foot near the left side of the hip. If that's comfortable for you, you can walk the foot out a little bit more, but if you need some pillows to get into this pose, then please do so. Option 1 is leaning down a little bit over the knee. Option 2 is staying upright, adding a little bit of a back bend to our pigeon pose. Again, only go as far as your body feels like it can without any pain. Listen to your body. This pose can be quite tricky. And if you haven't already, you can now exhale over that right foot. Take a few breaths here in sleeping pigeon. And then tuck the left toes under, lift that right leg up and back. Take a second for your hip to reset. Give it some space. And then inhale, raise the left leg up. Exhale, bring the left knee between the hands, left foot near the right side of the hip. Lower on down, put some pressure onto that left leg. Make sure your knee doesn't feel any discomfort. And again, if you need pillows, then use them. Add that back bend here. Or option 1 again is resting a little bit over the leg if the back bend feels too intense. Keep breathing. Exhale, let the chest release down over the leg if it isn't there already. Take a breath. Curl the right toes under, lift the left leg, place it back in down dog, and give your hip a little bit of space here with down dog. You're gonna bring the knees down to the mat, sink back on top of the heels, and just come down into a relaxing child's pose to finish off. Take a couple of deep breaths, check in with how your spine and your body feels, and just take this moment to thank yourself for moving your body, for attempting to clear your mind, for focusing on your breathing. Use these last few breaths to try and let go of any further tension you may feel. And if you need to take Shavasana, then feel free to do so. If you're ready to rise on up, find that neutral spine again. Inhale, raise the arms up overhead, and exhale, bring the palms to the chest. Thank you for joining me. If you like the videos, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Back with more videos soon. See you next time.